This is upstairs.
Elementary. This is the elementary school.
Okay.
The high school is on this side to the come on this side, you'll get the high school. Then we're gonna go to the balcony, go to the adult school.
Okay. High school.
Nice. This is all around. You can walk all the way around.
Yes.
Yes. But it's still strong. Yeah. It's like the church, right? Ah, this is the adult school. Oh, look at this, Lisa.
Oh wow.
You need to take a picture of this.
What is? Can you read this? What does this say?
Edgar, can you read that?
This one is this is the IP political structure. So the ancestor.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
The political
So it's
structure.
like the.
I see.
The higher one is Pinay.
Okay.
He is the great leader of the sky.
Pinay.
Pinay.
Okay.
Then si Katuna.
Sikatula.
The Sut Bagani.
Yes.
Then Dangko.
That you guys have, but this is their style.
Then down to Sirul. Malingay. Alburang. Sirul. Sirdo. Directo.
Okay.
Of course.
Wow. And then this one, the educational system. I see.
Yes, this is the director also will see the director is Pinay. Same
Oh, same as yeah, same.
And this one is
They put a new
Purarang.
Wow.
Yeah. Amazing. This is so much history.
That's good. You can read this.
Marta.
Amazing.
Wow, look at all these children. Senior citizens, women, children.
Nice. Thank you, Edgar.
Sarah.
I'm gonna show over here. This is their language. They do different body positions.